authentic. I have to do a wider shot for this clip. This is the 1:1 life-size replica of the Nichirin sword used by Tanjiro. And here I'm not sure whether I can get this fully on the camera. You have the Tanjiro illustration on the box, and let's get opening. Wow, look at this. Right off the bat, the handle's a bit plasticky, but nonetheless it's a great sculpt. The scale is definitely on point. Somehow it feels a bit shorter than how I've imagined it to be in the anime. It really feels good. It really feels like that you are Tanjiro. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's great fun. Again, the handle is a bit plasticky, but it has all the great details that is needed to replicate what's in the anime. Here, you have all the details. The handle has all the essential parts to replicate how it looks in terms of the aesthetics that's in the anime. On the sword itself, you can actually see two variants of surfaces. So firstly, on the top you get the shinier part, and on the bottom is more of a matte textured surface, and it really does feel great. On the handle you can see a button. Okay, now it definitely looks a lot better. It looks more authentic, as how you would have your traditional Japanese swords with the two stands, one holding the handle side and the other on the sword. So let's open the instruction booklet in terms of getting my way around to having Tanjiro's voices coming out. The coloured instruction booklets depicts what lines Tanjiro says. So it's got the demon killing mode, the water breathing, as well as the more motivating Tanjiro mode. We'll get to that later. Put enough pressure on this tip point and then put pressure in, and then you can lift up this part as such. Don't want to break it in the process, of course. You have the on and off button for the different modes. The top one being the demon killing mode, and the bottom one being the motivational mode. AAA batteries, check. Screwdriver, check. There are two slots for the AAA batteries here. So let's push it up for the demon killing mode. Wow. Okay, let's put the lid back. Actually, I'm not going to put the lid back because I'm going to show you guys both of the modes, and it's a fiddle to have to get the lid back on. Okay, so it's actually quite smart. There are actually two buttons. So if you're holding it like this and you press the bottom one, you have all these slashing sounds, and at the top you have Tanjiro's voice. So it's pretty neat. Let's play around with it. So you really have this emotional voice acting by the voice actor from the anime. So let's switch to the bottom one, motivational mode. Very motivational. Overall, there's a lot of fun to be had with this piece, and I would definitely recommend for those of you who are really into the Demon Slayer series to get this one-to-one replica, because the scout is on point and the price point isn't too bad, as it would set you back around. Overall, I really like this sword as it has a good variety of things to do, such as having the voice actor's voice speaking the different dialogues, and as well as the sounds that it makes when you're splashing through, and also it has the main theme tunes. That really brings it onto another whole new level. So definitely get this while you still got the chance before the other ones get released, because I would definitely see this piece to be a really sought after piece by collectors and Demon Slayer fans. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness. Also, I'll be doing more Demon Slayer unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned. Until next time.